boy, them say me I discriminate. Them say people all who attack, are people them will get messed up in their life with HIV. Cause them make the wrong decision, them never think like me. Them never take it to say then boom. Take the time out to talk to a person before you make them go in your clothes. Me never talk to them guy, I just meet him the same night. I come from Panama, I fly and I come out of JFK, but hotel, I tell the boys I'm reach away for night. After we grind, he start telling me about blinded them. I call some girl name, I know he had scalp on them name, I love some. Me just run to the doctor the morning. Them check my body, me did negative, them put me on prep. 2 weeks after I find out, I'm HIV positive. Okay. That will forever be my story, my love. Me not talk about it every time because some people when I have understanding, they will say that I'm discriminating or I'm being judgmental towards the person. I'm not being judgmental to nobody, my love. This is my fucking experience. And how you teach other people in the world. You have to talk or you go through so other people can learn from it and have sense. When you hide your experience, you're hiding the truth from somebody else. Yeah? You're hiding some from somebody so somebody can learn from. A whole heap of girl me save for you, so I make them know about prep. Yup. A whole heap of girl Oniel save. Cause I come tell my story and make them know say well, something named prep where can protect you from getting HIV. Me save a whole heap of them. And at the end of the day, when I go like I say me is one me some when I go like I say me some kind of outcast. Yeah, but I am in a one good way because this the only one I have a light of salvation. I'm hitting a battle like I can't treat this. You can't treat the boy, yeah. I say people when come tell my story, how many catch HIV in 2018. Remember me not shame, Cause you can't have shame in your story. And even me didn't get it, me I still come use it, me love for be my glory. And see if other people can learn outside. Yeah, me come talk, and the whole of the back, that's why them eat me. Why you think them don't like me? You think it's because them better than me? Or what you think them come up with pitney argument and dead argument for me? Because these people they never had anything to put on me to hold me down or to keep my mouth silent. Yes, so the girls them with the HIV, me love them make up the things them like Destiny and Mother them. You see how could them run for bring me down when bring down time come because I found a situation with my ex. They never like the fact when I come out and tell the whole world say me nearly get HIV for somebody younger than me. They never like that. Them say me I bring down the boy and them talk about that kind of theory. HIV not kill nobody. Me never say that kill nobody. Me I come talk on my experience and I go through. That's a total different scenario. If you bring down somebody where you know have know that's a difference but me come out and say me almost get it and me tell them what happened. I use it now for say alright then me I bring down people. I'm to bring down people for me if me catch a bad blood in my blood. I'ma come talk about it. Would I be still bringing down somebody? When I look on them sitting in my love, but when me come talk, gonna bring me up until now my ex not chat to my love because the internet give him validation and make him know say when me say was wrong, my love. And him not know somebody use myself to experiment. Yeah, cause what is a long story? It's a long story, my love. But I just glad to me have the same thing there with the rest of them have, cause that's the only thing when me have over the bottom and them my love good blood. That's just the truth. What you think Destiny them, mother them, the one of them eat me, Shemar. All of them are going to talk somebody about honey because I have a good blood over for them blood. That's just the truth. And I brag me, I brag on the boss, me a boss. But me the blood just good over for them. Me have that over them. Me have longer life. Me know me I got dead and me can dead left any one of them at any moment given time. But for the best part of it, me love me healthy. Me have no underlying condition. And that's why I'm them because they don't like when only come talk about them underlying business. We not like when people come talk about it. Yeah, Nurse Brown so Nurse Brown stay from long time. Your life opposed to where people say you see a nurse. I'm gonna see out and educate the girls. I tell them to protect themselves and tell them about prep and tell them the difference when I want for use and when not for use. And you say a nurse, my love. But as mix up come, you're ready to put your party and have the whole to say. And you're a nurse, you know, you're educating nobody. So when you don't scroll them at time, you don't scroll them talk. I don't know educated and not educate the younger people them out here. Yeah. Make the don't girl them talk, we talk somewhere at least we make a couple facts, but you were educated, you know, how much I come send what make sense. Understand? I Candy, me see I promote for Trev them. Candy, you go and promote for them, my love. So that show me the kind of person you want to be in a life with you. You know, I promote nobody who do nothing good. I promote people that do pitney business. Yeah. Yeah, I promote pitney business. I promote candy with crocodile shape and hagrid shape and kind of shape, my love. You know, I do not wear big people I do, my love. So you can't tell me nothing for make me, to advise me. Come and see I do nothing to make me feel inspired. You know, I motivate my baby, I motivate myself every day. Look around here. I do everything for my own. Me the only Batman I'm gonna live in a box up with people for get views. Cause the people them like me naturally, me have a voice that speak for itself. I have a voice that echo. I have a voice that resonate in people's head. And when I call them come up and go my business, my voice that licking at them head so till later on. Yeah man, me have a 12-hour echo voice in a girl head. Yeah, when me talk every girl have to shut up. You don't know it already? I done already so quick. I like the way you are. Me llamo Jocelyn Anero. Arriba, abajo, a la izquierda, a la nene, Whoa, weakness. True, only because of your voice I follow you. Of course, my voice will resonate with people. The people them when them hear my voice, the people them know so everything I come out of is authentic. Me not play fake with them. If my pussy a hot me, I tell them say I hit a hot me. Me not go tell them say my head a hot me when a difference in a hot me. You understand? The girls them understand the realness. The people them not like keep a fake business. Like people out here say them a nurse, doctor and lawyer and them appear portray certain imagery to make people believe say them a nurse, doctor and lawyer, my love. You understand? Me everybody know me is a blood clot or hustler. I mean, I could have come out and come pretend like me a mighty muffin power. And go like me a white Power Ranger upon the girls. I'm come out as Yellow Ranger. Yeah, I could have text Tommy. I'm gonna come out, come go like me a white, me a Tommy Lee pound.